How's that look? Look all right? All right. Or just tell me when. What? What, now? Right now? Action! Hello, everyone. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. I'm, of course, world-renowned hypnotist Jim Kellner. And you're joining me here during what could be called a blizzard in the desolate wastelands of Seattle, Washington. Now, if you're unfamiliar with that land, it's in the far hinterlands of the north, the northern United States. You may be wondering why I'm putting myself in danger like this, when I could be at home in Phoenix, Arizona, lounging by a pool in my favorite red Speedo, surrounded by a bevy of beautiful women, and smart, very smart, and kind. That's what I like best. In fact, I don't even see beauty, or color, or small print. But I digress. You see, people ask me, they say, a world-renowned hypnotist, why do you put yourself in danger like this? Put yourself in harm's way. Suffer with this thing on the ground that they call snow. You may not have seen that before, but yes, the people of the north call this substance snow. It is freezing, it is cold, and there are terrible, vicious beasts everywhere. Ah, look, a very rare black... Come here. A very rare black wolf is chasing me down right now, but I will stare it down using the power of hypnosis. Go, flee, beast! Flee! Stay, beast! Stay right there! That's right. Look at that, folks. The power of hypnosis in use right now. The beast cannot move. It's like a statue. And I will leave it that way until I escape. And then it'll still stay like that, basically, till it wakes up or something. But here I am. I am here because I'm spreading the power of hypnosis. Now you may be thinking that I'm crazy to come and live among the savages of the north. The people. I call them people. We should call them people. The reason I do this, because believe it or not, I once lived among these savages. That's people. I once lived among these savage people for almost 20 years. And yes, in answer to your next question, I did mate with some of them. I've got some pictures here. I'll post the pictures later for those that are interested. I'm here spreading the power of the mind through hypnosis in two very important ways. That's right. Through humor with comedy hypnosis shows and hypnotherapy. Humorizing, hypnotizing, and healing is the three things that I'm here to do. And now's a good time to announce my very special limited engagement appearance with my comedy hypnosis show. That's right, the world-renowned comedy hypnotist Jim Kellner will be at Laughs Comedy Spot Thursday, March 16th, 8 p.m. Get your tickets, or you'll be sorry. For now, I'm signing off. I've been world-renowned hypnotist Jim Kellner. Good day. Take care, be well, and be awesome. Damn, I'm pretty!